I made this cheat sheet in an earlier video, but I want to talk a little bit more about the possibilities of using chords that bounce between the major and the minor key. So if you wanted to write a song that had nothing but major chords in it, look at all the possibilities you have. You've got G, A, B flat, B, C, D flat, D, E flat, E, F, and F sharp. Now, I'm not saying you can put all of them together in one song. Obviously, they need to make sense, but I'm just showing you how many possibilities there are. The first go-to, if you're writing in a major key and you want to just throw some color in, first go-to I would say is try an F major chord instead of, most people don't even use that 7 chord. Try the F major chord in the key of G. It adds a mixolydian sound and it really is very, very cool and very common actually. Another thing you can do is just adopt like one of these major chords. This B major, which ends up if G, if it's a major 3 chord, that can be really cool in a rock chord progression. This A major in the key of G is also just a very bright chord to throw in. If you want to make a dark sounding song, but that's got a weird kind of edgy harmonic component to it, try throwing that A flat chord in the key of G and see what that gives you. That gives you kind of a Phrygian feel. If you don't know what Mixolydian and Phrygian are, it's just a mode, it's just a different scale from major or minor. But again, it doesn't matter. As long as it sounds good to you, then you don't need to even really know the theory of what you're doing. So just know that all of these chords, if you get this in front of your face when you're writing a song, if you put this cheat sheet in front of your face and you're hitting a roadblock on what chord you want to use, or if you feel like your chords are a bit stale, try throwing one of these other chords from a different column in and just see what that does for you. The whole thing is you want to enhance without distracting, and you want the chords to support the emotion of your lyric. That would be the goal.